Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Uni-ball KuruToga Roulette. And what this is it's the upscale version of the normal KuruToga mechanical pencil. And this one, just like this other one, takes 0.5 millimeter lead, and it has the mechanism that causes the lead to twist as you write to keep a point on it. And there might be other features here too, but my Japanese is not so existent, so I'm not sure. So let's take a look. And this mechanical pencil, the regular KuruToga, it's like under $3 on Amazon, and this one is still under 10, I think. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. So let's open this thing up. Maybe let's open this thing up. Apparently there's a trick to it. Luckily, I have a solution. Maybe I have a solution? There we go. I knew I had a solution. Alright. I think there was something I was supposed to undo there, but whatever. Okay. So is there anything exciting in here? It doesn't look like it. Alright. Well, I can tell you, first of all, there's a different weight to these two. The regular KuruToga is all plastic and it's really light. This one is still relatively light, but it's noticeably heavier. And this bottom part here is made of metal, and it has some knurling right there for gripping. So let's give this a shot. This is the Uni-ball KuruToga. And, okay, see if I can spell roulette. R-O-U-L-E-T-T-E. Roulette. And this is 0.5 millimeter lead. It's very comfortable to write with. I don't know. Let's compare real quick to the original. And this one has extra roulette. I think I like this one better. It feels a bit more solid, and I think it has a better weight to it. So it's kind of surprising. Both of these write really comfortably. Like they're very smooth. They write very smoothly on the paper, and hands down, the best writing mechanical pencil I've ever used. I don't use a lot of mechanical pencils, but these definitely stand out as being very, very comfortable to write with. I mean, this one feels more comfortable in my hand just because there's a little more weight to it. And the weight's a little more distributed, like it's a little heavier down on this end, and it feels more comfortable in your hand. This one, it's super, super light. I mean, it's an amazingly light pen. You can barely notice pencil. You can barely notice it. So I think really the main difference is just, I guess, what you feel comfortable with. This one kind of has a more stylish, it has a more, I don't know what you call it, engineered look to it. It looks a little more professional, I think, but that's about it. They're both really good pencils. Anyway, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check them out. Let me know what you think. Have any of y'all used these pencils? Or you think they're good? They're bad? By the way, I think that only this bottom part is metal. I think this top part is like coated plastic or something. So anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.